So last class we already started the chapter the human eye and colorful world. So in the chapter we are already discussed about what is the least distance of distinction. So what is the definition of least distance of distinction? The distance of the object from eye that can be seen comfortably and distinctly is called least distance of distinction. For normal human being of least distance of distinction value 25 centimeter. So what is the definition of angle of vision? So the maximum which we are able to see whole object, the maximum angle which we are to see whole object is called angle of vision. For a human being of a healthy person of angle of vision 60 degrees. And last class we already told that what is the structure of human eye. So in that chapter we already discussed about what is the definition of cornea, what is the definition of pupil, what is the definition of iris, and what is the working process of lens, human eye, and what is the working process of retina, and rods and cones and different topics in that way we already learned in the human eye topic. So today we are discussing about the eye is so many of disease we have to suffer from. That is, for example, few of the persons cannot see the nearby objects. Few of the persons can be seen away from the objects. So according to these defects, we are classified. There are three categories. One is myopia, second one is hypermetropia, third one is presbyopia. Now we have to discussing about myopia. So what is the definition of myopia? So according to definition, some peoples cannot be seen at a long distance, and but can be seen nearby objects. Nearby object is called myopia. So what is the definition of myopia? Some people cannot be seen along at a distance but can be seen nearby object is called myopia. So here, this myopia is nothing but nearsightedness. It is called nearby sightedness. So here, what is the definition of myopia? Some people cannot be seen at a long distance, but can be seen nearby object is called myopia. So it is nothing but it is called nearby sightedness. It is nothing but nearsightedness. According to this myopia of focal length, that is maximum of focal length is less than 2.5 centimeter. So according to if you suffer from the myopia, how it is the focal length? The focal length is the maximum focal length is less than 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. So what is the definition of myopia? It is nothing but nearby sightedness. And how it is the myopia focal length? It is maximum focal length is less than 2.5 centimeters. And according to this, some people for example, it is a structure of human eye. It is the the structure of human eye. It is we are considered lens, and it is the retina. So according to this topic, for example, if the any ray passes through lens, after that refraction, it is what we are understanding from this diagram. So for example here, if the any ray passes through lens, so it is a lens. After the refraction, it is a image form of before the retina, where we have the formation of image before the retina. Before the retina means it is a retina. So the object where we have to form the image from the before the retina. So it is a diagram of myopia, initial diagram. So have you formation of image on the retina? No, because of it is before the form retina. So here, and one more thing, for example, the healthy person can see more than the least distance of distinction, means 25 centimeters above the distance. For example, here the myopia can suffer from the person can be seen at a certain distance. For example, here one see here from this diagram what we are understand. It is the human eye, it is lens, it is a retina. So here from the object is, for example, beard of myopia. So what we are represented here, M is nothing but myopia. What is the represented of here? L is nothing but least distance of distinction of vision. So in this one, so beard of the object. For example, if the key object beard of the myopia means position of M cannot be formed image of before the retina. So what we are understanding from this? So it is incident ray. After incident ray, what should we have? Refraction. The refraction ray. So here it is a retina, and it is a lens. So it is a lens. So according to this, the lens form an image. The lenses form an image before the retina. So it is both diagrams are the image formation, the image form and the before the retina. From this diagram, so we'll see here, if the any object is between the M and L, if the any object at a distance of M and L, M means that is the myopia, L means least distance of distinction. The any object at a M are in between the M and L. So here M means this point is known as far point. This point is known as far point. So here, if the object at a M are between L means least distance of distinction of eyelids. The formation of an image on the retina, exactly on the retina. Complete A, B diagrams before the retina, and C diagram is an image on the retina. So here it is the retina. So that's why you are understand. So according to this concept, this point is known as far point. This point is known as far point. And one more thing. Here, one see this, identify this diagram. So according to the object at M are least distance of distinction. But in between the M and L, M comma L is the keep the any object. It is also an image on the form image on the retina. The eye lens. So this diagram, what we are represented, far point means it is M and least distance of distinction. If the any object in between far point and least distance of distinction, So the eye lens can be formed image on the retina. And how can we correct this? How can we correction this myopia? For example, the eye lens. So what is this? It is the eye lens. The eye lens can be formed clear image on the retina when the object is placed far point and least distance of distinction. This lens is called biconcave lens. Biconcave lens. So how can we correct this myopia? The eye lens can be formed clear image on the retina when the object is placed from far point and least distance of distinction a lens. That lens is called biconcave lens. And according to this one, so it is the correction of myopia with the biconcave lens. And one more thing, hypermetropia. It is instead of completely opposite of the myopia. So see here, some people can be seen at here completely. Some people cannot be seen at a long distance. But what here hypermetropia, the some peoples cannot be seen nearby objects, but can be seen at a long distance. So that is called simply. So here according to definition, here see cannot see nearby object and can be seen at a long distance is called hypermetropia. So what is the difference between the myopia and the hypermetropia? Myopia is cannot be seen at a long distance, but here hypermetropia is can be seen at a long distance, and here but can be seen nearby object, but here cannot be seen nearby object. So here how it is called nearby sightedness, but it is called far-sightedness. It is called far-sightedness. So here how it is the focal length of myopia? It is maximum focal length is less than 2.5 centimeter. But here minimum focal length. So here minimum focal length is greater than 2.27 centimeter. 2.27 centimeter. And one more thing here, H is represented hypermetropia. And one more thing, it is a lens. It is the least distance of distinction of vision. So here the object is, for example, beyond in between the H and least distance of distinction, it is cannot be found beyond of the retina. So eye lens can be formed image beyond of the retina. So one more thing here. So in between the object is, for example, H position. H position. So here H is nothing but here it is a nearsightedness, but here far-sightedness. See, so it is a structure of human eye. In between the, for example, the object is far point or least distance of distinction. If the position of H means the object at a position of H, that point is called as far-sightedness. That point is called far-sightedness. So the object is at H or beyond of H. So it can be the eye lens. The eye lens can be formed image on the retina. Eye lens can be formed image on the retina. So it is beyond of the retina. It is on the retina. So one more thing, it is a object also beyond of far point, beyond of far point, it is a eye lens can be form image on the retina. So according to how can be correction of hypermetropia? For example, if the same concept, the eye lens can be formed clear image on the retina when the object is placed, it is a near point, the near point and the least distance of distinction. So that is the a lens is here biconcave lens, but here biconvex lens, biconvex lens. So this is the topic of hypermetropia. All of you see. So how can we keep in your mind myopia and hypermetropia? So అందరూ ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి. హైపర్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్? హై అంటే ఎక్కువ దూరం, అంటే ఎక్కువ దూరంని చూడగలుగుతాడు, అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ సీన్ ఎట్ ఏ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఎట్ ఏ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్. దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటిది? కెనాట్ సీన్ nearby objects. And one more thing, myopia is completely opposite, cannot see at a long distance, can be seen nearby object. So ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి అంటే మై కేవ్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్? ఇది నా ఇల్లు. మై కేవ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మై హౌస్. మయోపియా బైకాన్కేవ్, hypermetropia biconvex. Myopia biconcave, hypermetropia biconvex. Let's get. So this is the topic of myopia and hypermetropia. What is the difference between the here and here? So the object is m position are in between the least distance of distinction, but it is a m are in between the least distance, but here beyond of 5 points. That is the difference.